Welcome to the Jordan's Big Six in 60 Seconds. This is Ross Rogers, and I'm part of the Digital Teaching and Learning team. This year, we've been focusing on the Big Six and utilizing how do we use all of these in education. This episode, we're going to be focusing on Nearpod. We've also been really involving all of our Big Six webinars around the portrait of a graduate. And this time, I'm going to show you how you can use Nearpod in the classroom and how each of these things will tie to a different characteristic in the portrait of a graduate, depending on what your topic is. So let's begin the Big Six in 60 seconds. You don't have to use a Nearpod and have 30 slides in it. You can use it in a short 1 or 2 slides. So this one is the bell ringer, and so you just have a title slide, and then we use the interactive tool of Draw It so that you could just draw how you're feeling right now. How about energy sources in a secondary level? We're using a collaborative board where students are going to be able to write examples of renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Now let's focus on elementary again. We're going to go to math. So we're going to click on the hamburger button. Then we're going to select Nearpod Library. We're going to select Nearpod Math here. We're going to go to 3rd grade. We're going to talk about introducing multiplication and then making sense of data. Here's the lesson. You can go ahead and click on it when you're live. But I want you to know that all of the Nearpod resources tie to the new Tier 1 program that starts next year of Open Up Resources. And that is Nearpod in the classroom in 60 seconds. Thanks for joining, and I hope you've enjoyed this and that you will utilize Nearpod in the future for your lessons. Thank you.